Hello everyone. On the way to do some maintenance on one of my geocaches called Free Tennis Balls. It's raining, but really nothing else to do. I'm on vacation. So the coronavirus outbreak and everything, figured I'd go do something by myself. I just replaced free tennis balls, and I'm gonna head out. Some of these look scarily some of these look like poison oak, although I don't think it is. Alright, headed to replace another missing cache. This one also in Elk Grove, down here in a neighborhood. It's called Penny's Favorite Spot. Should be right here. Let's check it out. Hey there. I'm up on the levee. Got a half-mile walk down to a cache I have to replace or repair. Someone said it's pretty wet and mildewy, so I'm gonna do the right geocaching thing and maintain my cache. Okay, I replaced the cache. It was all waterlogged, and I'm headed back down the levee to the parking lot, about 0.47 miles. Wow. Gas is super cheap.